The girl dead with you through thick and thin. The girl cost the net for you. The girl supporting all their folly. And all they can come with this one weed grinder in a suitcase. What a way the boy am at you. Where you don't know about. What a way Yanquie new man or new fling at hurt you. And you never buy pampers to the baby yet. And it hurt you. It's not supposed to hurt you, dirty man. Go dig up your mother and suck her. Yeah. Go lick off your mama casket. Yeah. And if she have dust or bone in there, eat the dust like Asham and suck the bone like lollipop. Move your nasty sangwe dirty Worlddawg. Move from your sangwe. Somebody for line you from back way and do you like nanny off the maroon. You think in a million years me that see you as a liquid exchanger? You think me you could have laid on and exchange body fluids? Right now the baby where Yanquie have should have suck your nipple. I should have you him drink milk from because you come like your breast them swell. Honestly, come like Worlddawg breast them swell. I should have your nipple the baby a nibble. Me not tell you no lie. From the baby born, all you pay for the girl for keep him. You don't know how pampers buy stroller, the car seat. You don't know nothing at all. Nothing at all. But you see, Yanquie, you keep too much information. You're keeping too much information.
I'm a little down fear thing.
I'm a little down thing because I'm a solar blue pill for stand up. I'm a solar blue pill for stand up. You know, so them boy they have to eat the meat. Them boys have to use them tongue and beat the meat. Yeah. It's just the truth. Young boy like a your solar pill and it's not vitamins. Then oh you have so much energy you walk with a dead army. You have so much energy your army asleep. Me don't know how you do it. Me don't know how you do it, you know. And them something make woman look like fool, you know, because I don't know how you do it. You can imagine she and the wooden spoon in the bedroom because she have to lift up that are pushing her. Eh? You can imagine she and the tweezer in the bedroom. Eh? Can you imagine? And you depend on the upper shout, we still not forget about the blue pill. And it's not Yanquie tell we, it's you tell us. You chat. Jody B, him chat, so till him chat on himself. So you're a portion of man, you're not a man. I bet you have strong erection around Swiss. I bet you your erection up. Your sleeping arm wake up once you're around Swiss. I bet you all the nipple them get stiff at juke Swiss in them back. I bet you any money. Now, you can't justify him, but probably my pressure. When you remind me of Annie, every time she forgot pull the old out her mouth, her pressure high. But she's the only one who can sit down and shout pan the app. Shout pan the app. Shout non-stop. What you mean him have pressure? You justify for man. Your man have pressure too you live with. So you understand why there's something there. Yanquie should have make him slap it all from back way with him tongue. What? Them boy they fi eat eerie part pan lower body, you know. Yeah man. Them boy they fi eat poop all. Impression, that's why I need blue pill. No, for sure. A man them want. No care how you see them come up, everything is for our front. Everything is for the app. A man them want. Me tired for tell you now. Man. Then you can sling this and tell me say Worlddawg no want. Worlddawg need a man with him black lip. Worlddawg lip supposed to look good pan body. Yeah, worse like how it black when you wrap that and worse him can do him face so. Can you imagine all when him ring the head of that? Can you imagine when him ring the head of that? Worlddawg miss the man them. Boy you take Annie pack. Annie pack. Why your nature gone? From Switzerland, you malice, it come like your nature dead. Switzerland bring back the boy sex urge. Sometimes some people can go, you know, so sometimes some people can go with the sex urge, ask we woman. When we take some man, you know, sometimes when we love them and the man gone, you know, we don't feel for nobody like him. God knows. They better continue because figure it out. And Jaden, it don't make no sense you come over here, so you can't bring Yannick in this. Yannick a good girl when it comes to you. That much we can give her. We might can't give her the credit for being with you, you know. You understand me? We might call her this, that, and blah, blah, and Ray for being with you. We might dig up her past for being with you, but you see, between you and she, Yannick a good girl to you. If nobody out the road enough to treasure Yannick and rate her, you supposed to do it. She back shame out of your eye and take it from one level to the next level, because you never depend no levels. You never know. A level 1 this Yannick put you. Remember Yannick take care of making a bad thief. Remember Yannick have you making a bad thief. She will thief and give you good girl. You remember when time Biggs they throw you over the wall and crab you, and you say you get shot? It was Yannick. You remember when your car crashed? It was Yannick. Never nobody else. It was Yannick. So you have to pay dues to your Bema for being there with you too thick and thin. You call your dirty sister them. You want be a nasty sister them. Eh? You call the whole of them. You little chuck back sister them. Them coming like Yanquie at wheel. Every gutter water them dry in eh? Why them never help you? You call them when you're hungry. Then you're not supposed to hungry Worlddawg. Then from you born until now you can't steam rice. From you born until you forget shit in a burger bread. You forget shit in a burger bread with all 2 nice sliced salad pan it. Me not tell no lie. Me not tell no lie. Yeah, the males on the app, they are very ungrateful. Me no want a girl come out with no man and say after them man. Me not trust it. Me not trust it. Yeah? Me not trust it. All Worlddawg things say my smaddy. I never see a man for beach shots so yet like you're a tourist in a Miami. I never see a man for beach shots so yet like you're a tourist in a Florida. Are you alone with the little your favorite Queenie, Shay woman? I saw you just like Queenie, you just always in the short shots them. No matter how cold the time be. Our Worlddawg you have no gears, fabrics or garments. Hmm? Of course. Yannick could have done way better without Worlddawg. You won't go pick up a package for him. Like a Sheen. You could have been way, Mr. Yannick. Me da call it pulled pork. Me da call it pulled pork. When me done cook that. When me done stir that shit there before him come in. And plaster. I'm gonna make sure I put cornstarch in it so it hold it together. Me cornstarch with a little flour and pat it up so it must get stiffer than in pants front. No, Jody be a true. And pat it up so. And put it on the burger bread with 2 lovely salad. Bon appetit behind me. Yeah. If you want to go on, you know, go on Worlddawg. Yannick is a survivor. A woman she name. Somebody out there must want to even smaddy blind. Why you think you look better than Yannick? Eh? Why you think you look better than Yannick? At that moment. No, it's true. Yannick will never make these mistakes again. Me not ask you. She not gonna make. Worlddawg is a bitch and then wanna pack up over him life. That's all he need. Crowd for bring down the girl. That's all Worlddawg need. Crowd for bring down the girl and nobody now hold him accountable. See the baby there? We're tired of deadbeat dads. We're tired of deadbeat dads. Hmm? Most of we go through this. Where your mother have a man and you breed your mother, and then when you born, you can't find daddy. Daddy have a next baby. This is slackness. Why never left Yannick when she mind him? No, me hear, you almost cried. Me say when me hear Yannick, my heart break. Irrespective of the things that when me say about she and Worlddawg and we not talk about that. This is serious matter now. When me listen to Yannick and how she's hurting on the inside, me not tell a lie. Yannick, me wish me could have hug you. That's all me wish me could have hug you. And it not gonna make it no better, but me wish me could have just hug you. Me just wish me could have hug you and take off some of the stress off of you and the excitement and embarrassment. Me not tell you no lie. Me not gonna tell you no lie, my baby. Because we can't sit down here so and live on the fact that you're idiot girl for the with Worlddawg. We're past that stage there. You make the mistake already and the argument done. We're past that stage there. But how you treat you now, Yannick, it's not fair. It's not fair. You deserve better. But you can't get it because you take Wasara. Worlddawg don't even know if he take care of himself. He can't even wipe him own shit out of him body. But you not talk some things if you bring down the dirty man. You sit down yourself, play a good girl like there is hope of you and him going back together. Wedge, you might want him back when him dip on him face and he might accept you. However, and come talk about say, you can come between me and Yannick. Yeah, because when time man dip on them face, them big up them woman. Them never big up them woman when time them more than them woman. You know, check it. Worlddawg beg and thief. Beg and thief. Me know Worlddawg as a thief, others know him as a beggar. Me don't know him them way they yet. Me don't know him them lovely way they yet. Like beggar, me know him as a thief. Yeah. So when Worlddawg sit down on him live and a shout and a go, he's making an ass of himself. Worlddawg make over $2,000 a day and don't even give you a stipend over it. At the least money that Worlddawg ever make. $2,000. Him come back for 2,000 more. Me say nothing at me like when Amir say, Mom, Akeem is cussing you out. And she just say, cuss me in front of her child. But it's when you give a picnic to dirty man, for dirty man clown them out in a garage, and them suck me a reach because Amir is supposed to confuse why is he acting like this all of a sudden because the little boy don't know. It hurt me. Yannick, me not gonna tell a lie, it hurt me. It hurt me. It hurt me. And then you have to be on the live counteracting his speech. You understand me because you have to have state of defense because you're afraid of what he's saying. People might view you so. Me understand, Yannick. I understand so badly and it moved me. It moved me to the point where I even ate Worlddawg Wasara. Not telling a lie. Worlddawg better off a prison. Yeah, she got torment. Remember saying Akeem did send a slutty for torment to Rosalie. So I him send the girl for torment to Yannick. Now ask you, him give her the okay. No, it's true, it hurts. People marking our cuss our class, everybody pan the app, you know. But you see right are right and wrong are wrong. Right, alright. Yannick, don't come out of the house. Do not come out of the house until the bank lift up you, the baby, and it. And cash, you know. Do not come out. Yeah, I'm gonna live for see you. I'm gonna live for see you. But Yannick, you make a lot of mistake because you should make Worlddawg depend the app I use you. But you see, my woman, you should come out and say, hey, people, it's not like how him speak. Pure lie, Worlddawg tell. Pure lie. Me say the best girl for that boy there is Swissley. The best girl, the best woman for Worlddawg is Swissley. Yannick, all when you favor Mr. Bean and all when you surge you do good. You know your clothes you look better than Worlddawg. Worlddawg look like him just come from prison. Some boy bad in them new pants and them new shoes and can defend it when them puss come to shop. Bad in them, yeah, for sure. No, it's true. Worlddawg is a crutches. Any woman will sit down and laugh off a Yannick in another situation, yeah? On a wicked state of girl, know. Yeah. You saw Swissley left him and mash up his meds. Up to now, Worlddawg can't recover. Then, Yannick for thinks that she have a man. Eh? And Worlddawg still a go through Heartbreak Hotel. Whitney. Whitney Faith Evans and my girl. Yeah. No, it's just the truth. It's just the truth. Yanquie, you don't deserve it. You don't deserve. Him obsessed over Swiss Lee for true. Yanquie have on too much weight. Him like them bony. Yanquie have on too much weight. This is it. You can't compete with a man. Worse if your man and me. If you meet a man. Yeah. If you meet a man, you can't compete with him. Give back Worlddawg to Swiss Lee, and if you can't find stepfathers for the kids, remember him not mind none. I want him have and him not mind none. Remember, you will find a man to take care of him, picking them. Yeah, woman. People out there love you. Yeah, woman. Give him back to Swiss Lee. Never you steal from the broken hearted. Give him back to Swiss Lee.
Never leave before the baby child them together.
Exactly, him never gonna leave because Yanquie does spend money and him never gonna live in a life. When if Yanquie no cook all Worlddawg for hunger, what does Worlddawg have in the house where him contribute? Yeah, you don't know them dirty man there.
Take the whole line money go buy a car.
Yeah, and none of the car them no pay for, you know. Oh. Now ask you, dirty man.
Heavy.
You never did nothing for the girl and the baby.
Heavy.
You come on the app and you class everybody and say Yanquie have it.
Come here.
You say Yanquie have it. Then what kind of truth you come tell me? When you come on the app and you say, no, we not rich like Yanquie. Yanquie get smart. They look like she get smart with her richness. But she carry weed grinder and all sort of something. Go Jamaica, carry it, go get the boy. Carry it, go get the boy.
Leveling up.
Yeah. Yeah, who say woman can't do a man do and still be a lady? A liar tell. Take a look at me. If the man them lift load, me go they go lift it too. Me I build my buy and my triceps. Worlddawg hype off for nothing. I want to make Worlddawg feel like him hype. Worlddawg hype off for nothing. Worlddawg would all use the Yanquie toothbrush like how my man they use diamond own. You come on the Indian but hey! Worlddawg we tired of you. It better that cause Jaden and figure she out. We tired of you. With a man you love. Worlddawg is a wicked and the same stay a long time and have no loyalty. But it's true, but then they go and cause figure she out. Yeah. Until figure she out our teeth them want microwave because them say I'm out think it full of stale food. Yeah. It better they go and cause that. Loyalty our Worlddawg no know. Loyalty our Worlddawg no know. The only person loyal to a Swiss Lee. Them alone, Natalie can come up and say, me love Swiss Lee. Me love Swiss Lee. And if me say me love Jaden, and I say me obsessed. No, it's just the truth. It is just, Yanquie, me no care what me want to say about you back in the past. You see another situation here, my baby. I can't class you and say you're an idiot girl. I cannot do it. Just because of old Worlddawg are going. Just because of old Worlddawg are going. I can't class you. I stand with you 10 toes down. And if you want me to handstand, I stand with you. Then come here now. Then what are we Macy Gray gone over Roger? Macy you feel for female. I wonder if Macy is a lesbo. Macy come here now. Oh you mean you love Roger a long time and him not for load you up. Then you never expect Roger to go load you up. Macy you do it for prank. Then Macy out of everybody in the world Roger you go for and Roger stand up like Bingy. Roger stand up like when you pull back Bingy. You know see Roger foot them catch him off guard. Then Macy come here. What go on in the world about you? What go on in the world about you? Eh? And then you give Roger she a piece of cloth. Roger she come up but hey! Roger stop. Roger you look fake. You look like you like it. Stop acting upset when you know you're not. Eh? You should be glad the lady in a wig look you. But me just can't understand the message where you sent to Roger. Missy, what's wrong with you? Eh? You don't have no man in prison where you can send to them with a love letter. Roger like it. I just you Roger not like. I bet if it was a other man, me say Roger, me say boy over upon one live, I show them body. And Roger go over there go give them a body. Roger want him no want to click me, yes, no care how big you want say you click me. Roger no want to click, no love. Roger want the long donkey la la.
Long lele.
Yeah, in a imbele lele. Me see me lose a fire panda one year man. Me never know something again. Me say what's in your cranium? You feel straight. In the wig. In the wig you feel like I'm Macy, come on man. And no man, I know say Macy a beat Roger. Macy not serious. She not serious, it's true. I know say all of this are just joke, but Roger take it too serious, like him glad for the content. I know say Macy a ramp with Roger man. Then me could I really think say Macy serious. Then when Macy and Roger could have ever hang out, but Macy that beat Roger. Roger talk about, oh, and some dollar kind me that show up on the skin. Oh. Eh? Roger sit. Sit this one out and take the note. Sit this one out, Roger, and take the note. You like it. You like it, because your little mouth look dry. Roger little mouth look dry under the filter and cheesy. You like it. Remember a policeman stab you up in a, beat you up in a car, you know? And your man plug out your side like him a perform another Eve. Like him did want to bring forth another Eve. Roger never upset. Don't make Roger fool about him upset. Roger love this. Remember Roger did have Shannon never one time? All of them man you buy them woman dog. And your boy ever buy me a dog, me know the relationship done. Remember Sean come back and talk say Roger now have nobody we can stiff up. Remember Sean come back and talk say Roger body cannot stand up. Remember so Roger and Worlddawg need the blue pill but give Roger a pink one. Cause I'm gonna get masculine after I take the blue. I mean I want to lose my sister for a brother. Me no want to lose my sister for a brother. Me say all Roger attack, hear me. Watch adult batty. Watch adult batty. Cause me I say Roger you a long time before time I went since you get so hot clot and leather. Eh? But you know what? And you know want them boy they saying you not now you know what? Yeah. No but sister we ain't a lie. I pay nasty step on the app. Then when people tune in them no must curse. When people tune in, them no must curse. Tell me the truth. I appear nastiness, I appear curse upon the app. I appear germs upon the app, people. Appear germs. Talk about the body with them catching a Roger Motor English. Damn, where you there? Cause you hold on for FBI information and now let it go and them a crucify you like Jesus and the cross in Jamaica. Damn, where you there? A pure carelessness upon the app. Yeah, remember Roger got England with them the first time and a body in a Roger mouth. Body them out. Me no know how them pull the door. Bathroom door or bedroom door. Which door you pull them out and catch the chalice in a Roger mouth. But as I said again, Yannick, my baby, I stand 10 toes with you. Let me tell you this, Yannick. I would be most disappointed if you make you and Worlddawg the back. Yannick, I did some know say you don't want to help in a life. And him now gonna be a father to the kids. Let me tell you something, girlfriend. You put Worlddawg on the map at TikTok. No care what. Because after Worlddawg gift, I wouldn't hear about Worlddawg no more. Just the same way we not hear about him now. You stand with him through joy. You stand with him through every single thing. So when you call him dirty sister them, if I ask him sister them, if when him like a shrivel or flaccidness, ready or oofa front him and yam. Ask if I feed them front him and eat. No, as a woman, I stand with Yannick. I stand with Yannick. Me say every female for go over Worlddawg live and shut him down. Every female. Every female for go over Worlddawg live and shut him. When if I make him free for come on the app and talk about the argument. Yeah, it's true. Every female for go over Worlddawg live and shut him down and make him show Yannick respect. Him not even get a rose nor a tap. Him for look back to Yannick and say, boy Yannick, me this you know, I'm sorry. You know, we have Akim come out and a defend disrespect Rosalie. We have all sort of these males come out and a disrespect the woman them with dead for them. 10 toes down. Worlddawg do all of them something and I get with too long. You walk out and I mash up females and this not right because I never hear you go so hard past Swissley yet. Never. Never, not even when you seriously a cuss. Never. You're willing to give Swissley 1,013,000 chance. No man, it look like Swissley can work with the deadness. I wonder if Swissley walk with a cemetery behind him and you likely that to rest. It is just the truth. Yanquie, me not care when nobody wants to say. I don't care when nobody in this lifetime wants to say. Me, stand with your 10 toes down in that situation here. Yeah, and them dirty women you support Worlddawg. That's why Worlddawg can come him should have turned on him live, and from him turn on him live, you depend deadbeat that, deadbeat that, deadbeat that, deadbeat that, deadbeat that, deadbeat that, deadbeat that. Not even a Walmart you can send your baby mother to shop for your child. Not even a Walmart, and Walmart don't dare. Yeah. No, but don't lie me, I tell my baby, it's true. These females that broke them money are bad. You go up on the live, they are not true. What cause this here now? A true Worlddawg, I understand you. I understand what? I understand what? It's just the one Yanquie. One Yanquie. Yanquie if you turn on our live and collect puss and dog and worm and cat and caterpillar. If you turn on your live and collect them something there. Yeah, turn on your live. Anything a Worlddawg now give you, Yanquie true, you know them girly. Turn on your live. And make the people them send the end family money and the Alacta 1+ money to you. I always start this. Turn on your live. Yanquie is not the girl for be out there. You can't see it on her. For cuss and confront. You can't see it on her. She's not that girl. Me don't know how people follow him. See, somebody said them did have to unfollow the so-called boy. It's true. It's just the truth. And females will always depend on the upper top. But say other people are bring down females and not tear down females. No, when them for stand with a female, they are not standing. They are not standing. All of them gone quiet. Yes, somebody will say them unfollow him. It's true. Worlddawg for turn on him live and I pay a deadbeat dad. Deadbeat dad, deadbeat dad, deadbeat until you apologize to your baby mother. When you apologize to your baby mother because you know realize that mostly women support you. And most women will support you, them have experience with this or them have information about this liberty. So I don't know how them sit down and support you. And it's just the truth. I bet you would never treat Swissley like this. Me never see you come out yet and load up Swissley for the years on a day. Till on the left. Till on the soon they back. Yeah, somebody say mass and following. It's true. I never see this yet pink party. Never a time we can hear say Worlddawg, this up Swissley bad. Never a time. It's always smooth going. Yeah, them and them left quietly. So why him and Yanquie have left so loudly? You and Swissley leave quietly. Only the lonely. And from Swissley left here, you have never been the same. You have never been the same from Swissley left. She's supposed to post him up. Loyal supposed to post him up because she's the next victim. She the next victim. If I me like she, me send in my resignation letter now. All when something good in, me send it in. Yeah? The same way Worlddawg, you get Worlddawg, I saw him go left you loyal. The same way you get the girl man, I saw him go left you. Yeah? Yeah? Effective immediately. Pack up and run. You never know that. Never you take a boy where disgracing baby mother. Me not join them church and a boy can't sit down with me and chat him woman with him about Philip. Me no want hear. Me no want hear because I see him where you go do me. You just call this change your address. You so move again. Remember, you're renegade. You're hitchhiker. Yeah? The same way. Me don't know how these are the stuff females not supposed to sing and support. It's not like Yannick is a girlfriend anymore. She is a bema. She's a bema. It's not like she's a girlfriend. This is a second-hand marriage when you have a picnic. Second-hand marriage. The girl dead with you through thick and thin. The girl cost the net for you. The girl supporting all their folly, and all they can come with this one weed grinder in a suitcase. What a way the boy am mad you, but you don't know about. What a way Yannick, new man or new fling at hurt you, and you never buy pampers to the baby yet. And it hurt you. You're not supposed to hurt your dirty man. Go dig up your mother and suck her. Yeah? Go lick off your mama casket. Yeah, and if she have dust or bone in there, eat the dust like Asham and suck the bone like lollipop. Move your nasty sangwe dirty Worlddawg. Move from your sangwe. Somebody for line you up from back way and do you like nanny of the maroon. Yeah. Them 8 woman and then people sit down on the live and say I'm me 8 woman. And them boy they 8 woman, the worst thing for have your woman in a bed where you know you exchange body fluids with her and treat her like shit. Me couldn't do that. That's why thank you Jesus me a woman. Me couldn't do that. And no boy can't dog me out, so no boy can't draw my ears to chimney when him blood a week. No boy can dog me out so because when me done spill all your belly bottom on the app. When me done spill the whole of your belly bottom and tell the internet, oh, you broke her hungry long time and I pay your teeth. And all the weed shop are scamming money do it. A whole heap of things me that talk and the things them are going in there. Yannick have a whole heap of information. Stop ramp with Yannick like how figure it out play with my girl the diamond. Stop ramp with Yannick and mind you make Yannick head chip. And she have to remember say Mobile she originate from. No, chicken back is true. It's true, woman to woman, me not support this. And when me tell you, say, me not gonna tell you a lie. Me not support this. When me hear Yannick, she move me. Because she's just being genuine with her feelings and her hurt. She can't even mask it anymore. And Amir have sense. And he's hearing all of these things. It's true. You talk about and the house. Worlddawg, you not own the house. So you're surprised you not own no. You not own no. Give back Yannick her money. If you want Yannick come out, give back Yannick her $40,000 so she can go rent somewhere for the night. Give her back her money. Do you have it to give to her? Or the backside if you have it to give to her, you can even cook food or buy food for yourself. I'm supposed to talk say Amira jacket cause Worlddawg mother dead during child's birth. I don't think Worlddawg know him mama. Worlddawg only hears say people are his sister. And 25,000 too. So over 65,000 that we're gone now, you know. No man, sorry, I feel it for Yannick. And this is no hypocrisy. Me feel it, and it's not the first me attack this. Me feel it so badly for Yannick. Because a lot of times, most of us females, we make some mistakes in our life. And just because we make mistakes in our life, we just have to work with it, hoping for respect to come with mistakes. Not from the outer public, but for the ones who will make the mistake with. And that is just the truth. Me don't know how them boy y'all look family. That's why I say them girls just open up on a breed for free. Because we don't even understand life yet. And it's just the truth. Me say every female will really hurt over this to go over Worlddawg live and just call him deadbeat. That spam him live with deadbeat, dad. Spam him live with deadbeat. But you know what is some of us? We don't want to be blocked from certain people's page and the page is not helping our spirituality. It not help we. So if you get blocked from Worlddawg, what are you missing? I just that me want to know. Remember, I'm using Yannick in for throw a word pan ex-gang, you know. Remember, this is the same girl Him used to throw words and ex-gang we used to mine and defend him. Not even to him team him loyal to. Then Yannick should assist him now go loyal to she. These are some germs, and when me tell you say they are not being honest on the app, you don't believe me. Yannick, we stand with you. We stand with you. Me no care if nobody else no want to stand up with you, Yannick. Me no definitely say in another situation here, woman to woman, me stand firm with you. Me stand firm with you. Now ask no question. Me just know why you ball in front of people as much as me know it hurts. Me know why you ball in front of nobody. More you hold it like a G. Night time go up your knee and pray. Yeah, we stand with Yannick. We stand with Yannick. Me not lie you. We stand up with Yannick, and if more females start doing these things, the men will have to fall in line. Let me tell you that. Yeah, the men will have to fall in line. You can't humiliate the girl like this over the internet, and you keep shouting and know say your body dead. That want to reach a mark R.I.P. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. To outer other man, me say me want as Worlddawg turn on him life, I just pierce for me target. God believe me, if I even that we can do for Yannick, cause since we can't get the money for go Walmart, you don't even care about your baby. You don't even care about your child. You never buy nothing for your picnic yet. And you come on the upper top, ooh, and she have a weed grinder. You have to focus on the wrong something. Focus on your dead wood outer road. Be focused by your dead wood outer road. Loyal day reach already. It now come cause them girl ready for them day reach. And just the sun for shine pan it. It's just the truth. Worlddawg have nobody. Worlddawg have nobody. Remember one time Worlddawg put on one tight suit and not ask where him body they must have lap it in him bottom. So Worlddawg must have practiced here now. Me not ask, and then the next day you see him pad up him hood and come. Worlddawg have nobody. And anything in a Worlddawg pants come from World War II, that fully bullet, that shoot up. Yeah. Worlddawg not have nobody. Nobody no make Worlddawg tricky Worlddawg with a full of balls. A World Cup Worlddawg have underneath him. World Cup a pay soccer down there, so a pay balls Worlddawg have him not have nobody. Worlddawg London Bridge that fall down long time. I wanna make him trick, you know. Me not telling you the Worlddawg pants one favor one of the building them in England. Old Worlddawg shape like a old man, you know. Me don't know how you see sex appeal upon Worlddawg. Worlddawg look like him reincarnated. Now ask, you know, Worlddawg favor long time English tea bag when it wet. Me now ask, you know. Yeah, him put everything upon Yannick because him always innocent, as usual. Worlddawg front flat like pom pom. I'm more sexy. I'm sexy for Yannick there with him. Come on, man. And the loyal girl, she. I'm more sexy. I'm sexy. I can eat crutches good all from back ways. Can you imagine all him wrist Yannick pan all side and tear the curtain apart and just down there so she must want to say, what you doing this? So me use this here. Oh yeah, clean me up. Yeah. Nah ask you now. Worlddawg too loud for have the pants front there. Him too loud. Shh. Be quiet. Be quiet. But I said this long time. Man come and him use you and him use your child where him never give. And I spoke about this long ago. I say, Yannick, never you have your child and give to the stepfather for turning it in a clown. I did say that, Yannick. And you see, him now, him abandon you and him abandon the baby. I remember when Worlddawg come up and said, nobody not talk about Amir, Nobody not talk about I'm here. Oh, am my youth this? Where all of that gone? Let me tell you now. Me say as a mother protect yours. Protect yours. Worlddawg from Worlddawg depend up in a tantan nowadays. He never do nothing wrong yet. You know, here Worlddawg come out and say him no sex man again. Then why me that take up that deadwood there? Worlddawg cocky favor a chip tomb. It favor a chip tomb. Yeah? Why me that take up that? Number two, when we look on Worlddawg, who say sex appeal? Who say sex appeal pan a boy like that? Hmm? We stand with Yanquie. Yanquie, I stand with you as Worlddawg do live, me I do live. Anything at all him say me a counteract it. Yanquie, me that buy out the warrior, I beg you it, but me I beg you tag me. Tag me. Just tag me in the war. Make me class dirty Worlddawg. Right now Worlddawg forgot they with Pretty Dan. Them could have managed them one another, but not because Worlddawg want a youth to be with. He want a youth. Yeah. He wants a youth to deal with. Me now ask you swiftly get all of the affection. Love and affection coming from Worlddawg. Yeah, swiftly get all of that. All in a pool them there. We never see my slap up your surgery yet in a water. You know, sister, the boy no want a woman. Hmm? You know, sister, the boy no want a woman. Me nah like me just sorry never make the grave with dry scratches. And that me sorry, never make the gravy with dry scratches. I could have saltfish and bean. You could have make the gravy with. Call Jaden for go suck your mama. Jaden, and a Jaden time now. Go suck your mother. We don't want to hear nothing about Jaden. Yeah, come with Jaden name, and just like Jaden a person. Yeah, me not tell a lie. For sure, people may go up on the road, me soon come back here. Me I go up on the road because every time a friend come out the door tell me say she ready.
Oh yeah, sweat.
What you at, man?